इस शहर में गुजरे हैं यादों के लम्हे, हर सांस में तेरी ही याद आती रहे। देखूं जिधर सब है अपने अपने यहाँ, इस शहर में गुजरे हैं यादों के लम्हे।
हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूं तराना और ये है सलाम नमस्ते यूएई, एक ऐसा शो जो हर हफ्ते आप तक पहुंचाता है दिल को छू लेने वाली कहानियां और सल्यूट करता है उन लोगों को हु मेक द यूएई अ बेटर प्लेस टू लिव इन। आज का शो इज ऑल अबाउट ड्रीम्स। आज हम मिलेंगे कुछ ऐसे खास लोगों से हु विल नॉट ओनली इंस्पायर यू टू ड्रीम बिग but will also encourage you to help fulfill the dreams of those people who might be less fortunate than you. तो चलिए इस सिलसिले को शुरू करते हैं हमारे पहले सेगमेंट के साथ, जिसका नाम है बड़े दिल वाले। आज हम आए हैं द लैंडमार्क ग्रुप के हेडक्वार्टर्स में, where we'd like to meet Mr. Raza Beg. Mr. Raza Beg is the CEO of Splash, one of the leading fashion brands across the UAE. And whether you're 6 or 60, इनकी कहानी आपको जरूर इंस्पायर करेगी। मुंबई की डिमांडिंग लाइफ में जब रजा बेग साहब महज 6 साल के थे, ही लॉस्ट हिज फादर, और उस वक्त एक बड़ा सवाल उनके सामने आया, अपनी माँ और 5 बहनों को फाइनेंशियली सपोर्ट करने का सवाल। And thus began his journey of struggling and surviving against all odds. अपनी फैमिली को सपोर्ट करने के लिए उन्होंने ढेर सारे ऑड जॉब्स किए, but at the same time he continued with his education. और इसीलिए कॉमर्स में ग्रेजुएशन पाने के बाद जब अलग अलग बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटीज came his way, he used them all to improve his business skills. लेकिन तकदीर ने पासा तब पलटा जब उनका नाता जुड़ा with the UAE. UAE में उन्होंने अपने करियर की शुरुआत की with the Landmark Group, and धीरे धीरे अपनी मेहनत और लगन से he's now become the CEO of Splash. And now he thinks it's time to give back to the community with a fantastic new initiative called the Splash Heart of Gold Initiative. तो आइए चल के मिलते हैं मिस्टर बेग से, and let's hear about this initiative in his own words. Mr. Beg, welcome to Salam Namaste UAE.
Thank you very much, Tarana.
And it is an honor because you are one of the most successful, most flamboyant, most inspiring people in the UAE, and I'm sure everyone watching today at home is going to learn lots from you.
I hope so. I hope I can add some value.
Of course you will.
To the audience.
I was just trying to put the pressure on you right at the start. Now, you know, I've read so much about you and how आपकी जो शुरुआत थी was quite a tough beginning and a really rocky start. Would you mind telling our viewers about your beginning?
You know, I recently read entrepreneurs are born out of hardships, and I really related with it because it was a very rocky ride when as a child, and it was difficult because my father had passed away. We were 6 of us. My mother had never worked in her life. She was a homemaker, so it was a little difficult space, and I was very, very young to realize it, but you know, when you don't have food in the house in the evenings and you sleep hungry, it is a tough time. So I've been through those stages.
And I think it's made you the man that you are, because I've read you've done almost everything possible to make something happen.
Because when you are at a stage where you have nothing, you know, like when you're swimming, and you need to save your life, and if you cannot swim, you will. So that's exactly what I did when I was a child. So I tried everything, whatever came my way, wherever I could make some money and help my mom. I did that.
And I believe at the age of 13, you realized that maybe teaching could be your calling.
No, it was one of those, you know.
आप किसी को tuition देते थे?
It was not planned. It so happened that you know, our laundryman came for his daily wages, and he was cribbing because we could not pay for it, and it was a little. He was a little mean and vindictive, probably, and so. I don't know what came into me, and I said, you know, let me teach your son. His son was with him, so and I said, you can do the laundry for us while I teach your son. And it was like a barter. I barter deal I tried to crack, and it worked. And I think so. That's where I realized that was a turning point on my life. The way I look at it is because I suddenly felt I could do something for my mom. And that one small movement of mine really became a movement, because in time I started teaching friends, brothers, and then the neighborhood, and before I knew it, I made it into a business.
So there's the teaching background, and there's the hazar different businesses background, and then you finally made it to the UAE via Bahrain.
Coming to Dubai was not it was not my agenda. The first opportunity I got was with Landmark.
With the Landmark Group, yeah.
And I thought we used to, our company used to be called Mother Care in those
Right.
days. We had Mother Care stores. So the ad was for Mother Care. It was a fashion buyer.
Yeah.
And it looked so interesting, travel the world, and it looked glamorous. So I handed a application.
Huh.
And I got a call, and of course I was not given a buyer's job because
Huh.
I had really no experience as a buyer.
Huh.
But Mickey decided that he wanted to work with me, and he gave me a store operator, as a store manager, and that's where it started.
Yeah, but
And
in
probably
a brief time, I mean, you climbed higher and higher, and then
no, I
and
think so
now
in
you're
2
the
months.
CEO.
In 2 months itself, I became a buyer.
So now Splash is to your baby, and
It's actually Renuka and Mickey's baby. I just held it, and they gave it to me.
and you've been the nanny then.
I've been the nanny.
Been the nanny for Splash the baby. So this we're here actually to talk about this fantastic initiative that you guys started a few years ago during Ramadan, which is the Splash Heart of Gold initiative. So what made you begin it in the first place?
This region has been very kind to us in all ways, and they have been very forgiving. They have been very welcoming. They have allowed us to grow in this country. And there was, there's a phase in your life which you say, I have to give back. So
Of course.
I tried. Nisha and myself built a platform called Fashion Forward, so that we could give back to the society where fashion students are concerned. Emotionally, I wanted to do something for my consumers and celebrate my consumers, because they have celebrated us over the years. And we gave a brief to the agency. It was not something which I came back. My agency came up with this idea, saying that, because about 2 years before that, we had just celebrated 20 years in love with fashion. So I said, anything with love.
Right.
And we had created a heart logo.
Huh.
And they picked up from that heart logo, and they said it, why don't you give a heart of gold
To deserving people.
To people who are doing something for the community and things like that. And I thought the idea was fabulous. It took me, I think so, between me and my team, it took us 30 seconds.
To say yes.
They said, heart of gold, this is it. And we said, yes, we want to do that.
For our viewers sitting at home who might have a certain champion of unity in their head, can they nominate, and how do you do it?
Of course, we at Splash usually have a microsite, which is Splash Heart of Gold, which comes on during Ramadan.
Yeah, because the initiative lasts as long
It's
as
a Ramadan
does.
initiative, and it goes through all social media, radio, print. And the idea is that people would go on the site and just nominate a friend, colleague. It does not necessarily need to be a person who's done larger than life things. It could be when somebody has done something small
For just
a
one
colleague,
person or
for a
for
one
yeah.
person. It has to inspire people to be good and working for the greatness. That is the whole initiative. It's a year of giving, so we tend to give a real gold heart, and we also give an award, and I think
they're
so.
felicitated in a big celebration.
We do, yes.
Yeah, in a
At least
function
the
right?
first year we had a very big function, and it was the first time where I sat in a function, and every person in the audience was crying.
Aww.
Because we played the AVs as we gave the awards, and it was very, very inspiring. It's a beautiful event.
It's a beautiful initiative. Last bit of advice for anyone watching you thinking, I don't know, मेरी life इतनी मुश्किल है, मैं शायद ही कुछ कर पाऊंगा. I mean, you're pretty much the proverbial phoenix who rose from the ashes and then soared in the sky.
As I said, be a person which can give.
Okay?
And giving does not need money.
Sure.
It could be a smile, it could be a hug, it could be a genuine advice, it could be, of course, if you have, even look after the poor. And I think so. If you really want to be memorable in life, and people after you're gone and people remember you, make sure that you give.
Thank you very much. That's a wonderful lesson. तन से नहीं, मन से नहीं, धन से नहीं, maybe all three. Definitely give back. Thank you for inspiring us, and all the best for your future initiatives. Please keep us posted every time you do something new.
Thank you so much, Rana. Thank you for coming this morning.
Time for a short little break. लेकिन ब्रेक के बाद भी हम सपनों की उड़ान को जारी रखेंगे in our next segment, दिल से शुक्रन.
यादों के लम्हे, यादों के
वेलकम बैक टू सलाम नमस्ते यूएई. मैं हूं तराना. हमारे अगले सेगमेंट में हम दिल से शुक्रन उनसे कहना चाहेंगे जिनके बदौलत हम अपना घर छोड़कर जा सकते हैं. अगर ये लोग हमारी जिंदगी में ना होते तो हम कभी भी घर गृहस्थी की प्रॉब्लम से बाहर निकलकर अपने ऑफिस पर या अपनी खुद की लाइफ पर ध्यान दे पाते. सही पहचाना. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट आवर डोमेस्टिक हेल्पर्स हु वर्क वेरी वेरी हार्ड टू मेक अस फील लाइक स्टार्स इन आवर ओन होम. So don't you think it would be nice to make them feel like stars for a change? और इसीलिए आज हम कुछ मेल डोमेस्टिक हेल्पर्स को अपने साथ लेकर आए हैं to one of the swankiest salons in Dubai, Be Blunt, जहां पर आज उनको हेयर कट भी दिया जाएगा and they'll get to feel like a star. Let's go see what's going on inside. Hello. Oh wow, that's a lot of hair. Yes. सारे बाल काट दिए? दीदार भाई चलेगा?
चलेगा, सही है.
लास्ट आपने बाल कब कटाए थे?
2 हफ्ता हो गया.
2 हफ्ते में इतने बाल बढ़ गए? वाओ. ही माइट बी बैक इन 2 वीक्स. श्योर. सुपर्ब. मैं आपके दोस्तों से मिलने जा रही हूँ. हाय आकिब.
Yes, hi. How are you?
वेरी गुड. हाउ आर यू?
Fine also.
हाँ. आप कहाँ पाकिस्तान से हो?
जी हाँ, मैं पाकिस्तान से हूँ.
कौन से शहर से?
मैं लालखाना सिटी से.
लारकाना से?
Yes.
और वहाँ पे बाल कौन काटता था?
वहाँ पे मेरा दोस्त था खुद का उधर पड़ोसी.
हाँ.
वो बनाता था.
आता था उसको बाल काटना?
उसको आता था, मगर ये नाइस स्टाइल फर्स्ट टाइम बनवा रहा हूँ मैडम से.
तो ये क्या है? ये फवाद खान का स्टाइल है?
नहीं, मुझे मालूम नहीं किसका है, लेकिन मैंने जैसे बोला वैसे किया है इसने.
ओहो.
बहुत अच्छा लगा.
आपने खुद बोला मेरे को ऐसे इधर से शॉर्ट
ऐसे,
चाहिए?
हाँ, मैंने ऐसे खुद बोला.
वेरी कूल.
ओके, यस, थैंक यू.
बहुत कूल लग रहा है यार.
यस, थैंक यू.
याद से सीख लेना कि इसको कैसे स्टाइल करते हैं.
ओके, यस.
हाँ?
ओके, थैंक
Okay,
यू.
I'll see you later.
ओके, बाय.
हेलो मुशर्रफ.
हेलो.
कैसा लग रहा है?
अच्छा लग रहा है.
डर लग रहा है कि कान ना कट जाए?
नहीं, डर नहीं लग रहा है.
हाँ? जब आप आए थे आपके तो इतने लंबे लंबे बाल थे ऊपर,
जी.
तो क्या आपने मैडम को बोला कि काट दो सारे?
हाँ,
रियली?
बोला.
मैडम सुन रही है आपकी बात?
सुन रही है.
अरे वेरी गुड. डिड ही गिव यू इंस्ट्रक्शंस ऑन व्हाट टू डू? ओह ही डिड. तो किस जैसा लगना है?
बस नॉर्मल लगना है.
नॉर्मल लग रहा है?
जी.
लेकिन आप तो रॉकस्टार लग रहे हो.
मालूम नहीं.
लग रहे हो. फिर बाद में मेंटेन करना अच्छी तरह.
जी जी, मेंटेन कर लेंगे.
तो आप कहाँ काम करते हो?
अल्फिया भाभी के यहाँ
अलिफिया भाभी के यहाँ. और वहाँ पे क्या करते हो?
खाना बनाता है, सब काम करता है.
अच्छा, आपकी बेस्ट डिश क्या है?
कोरमा.
अच्छा, एक दिन जरूर हमारे लिए बनाना.
ओके.
हाँ, एक बार
बनाएगा.
बाल एकदम सेट हो जाए उसके बाद.
ओके, बनाएंगे.
ओके सुपर. हम वापस आके देखेंगे कैसा लगता है.
ओके.
So I'm with Ruchika Singhal. She's the owner of Be Blunt, the lady with the lovely, lovely heart. Thank you so much for doing this for us.
You're most welcome.
And if you've noticed, our boys are looking quite comfortable in those chairs and getting their hair washed and stuff. It's so cool. Thank you.
You're most welcome. It was a wonderful opportunity for us to do something for them.
So, you know, you don't know this, but हमने इनको सिर्फ एक ही बार phone किया and she was so excited to do this. Have you been doing stuff like this, inviting people who are like maybe not as privileged as us into Be Blunt?
We've been always thinking as a team as well to do
Something like this, huh?
this. So as soon as this opportunity came by, thanks to Colors TV, we said yes. And the team was very excited as well, as much as I am, to have these people over and make them feel special.
So, you know, a lot of them, actually, I don't think I've ever gone into a salon, certainly not a glamorous one like this. But thank you, your girls are making them feel quite comfortable. वैसे रुचिका, क्योंकि आज छुट्टी का दिन है, we could bring the boys here. But I'm guessing आज even the girls have a day off.
They do.
So they were okay to come here and work on their day off?
Yeah, they were excited because we are looking for such kind of opportunities and Dubai में ऐसी options मिलनी बहुत कम होती है.
Impossible actually.
Actually speaking, because everybody is so busy in their routines and all. So they do not get an opportunity to actually come and experience something which is, you know, bespoke or luxurious as for that matter. So as soon as this opportunity came by, we said why not give them a lifetime opportunity to experience something different.
रुचिका, उनके हेयर कट्स तो काफ़ी कूल हैं, बट वो मेंटेन कर पाएंगे?
So हम as Bee Blunt, we believe in giving cuts that are easily maintainable.
Okay.
So they will be carrying some products with them. We will teach them how to style their hair. At the same time, the cuts would over a period of time grow out in a fashion that it wouldn't feel that you're out of a haircut. So, like literally in the next 6 to 8 weeks is when you would definitely need to just do a maintenance. But we take the face into consideration, the lifestyle into consideration, the hair type into consideration, the face structure, everything, and we do a bespoke cut accordingly.
And can you also take into consideration personal preferences, like मुझे फवाद खान जैसा लगना है?
ऐसे बहुत रिक्वेस्ट आती है हमारे पास, किसी को शाहरुख खान लगना होता है, किसी को फवाद खान लगना होता है. Definitely, if it is possible, we will definitely try to match everybody's expectation.
Actually, Ruchika, all we wanted was for our boys to feel like stars for a day, and you made that happen. So thank you once again.
It's been my pleasure. Thank you so much.
And guess what? There's a big surprise for our boys. जैसे ही उनका haircut वगैरह हो जाएगा ना, our friends at Kaizen Box are going to give them a really exciting box full of goodies. Just make wallet hair, there's also a tie, and there's a perfume, and I can't wait to see their reaction.
Hi, I'm Vineet Sadhwani,
Hi, I'm Parth Parekh.
and we are Kaizen Box. I'd like to give a big shout out to Salam Namaste UAE for allowing us the opportunity to give back to those who make our lives more efficient. Since our brand believes in the same virtue, we are very happy to be a part of this.
And since year 2017 is a year of giving, we are very fortunate to be part of such an initiative. We are doing our bit.
I hope you are too.
Chalo, good. The boys seem to like their new looks and their Kaizen boxes. And I'm happy that they're happy. So on that happy note, लेते हैं एक छोटा सा break, लेकिन आप दूर मत जाइएगा. Because break के बाद it's time to make someone's wish come true on our segment एक छोटी सी आशा.
यादों के लम्हे, यादों के लम्हे.
हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू सलाम नमस्ते यूएई. मैं हूँ निवेदिता और ये है छोटी सी आशा. वॉल्ट डिज्नी ने कहा था, ऑल योर ड्रीम्स कैन कम ट्रू इफ़ यू हैव द करेज टू परस्यू देम. और यहाँ मैं आज आपके सामने खड़ी हूँ इज़ द प्रूफ ऑफ दैट. एंड जो अपनी विश को अपनी आंखों के सामने पूरे होते हुए देखने की फीलिंग है इज़ सिंपली इनडिस्क्राइबेबल. और अब आपको लग रहा होगा कि ये निवेदिता कौन है और तराना कहाँ चली गई. घबराइए नहीं, तराना यही है और थोड़ी ही देर में हमें ज्वाइन करने वाली है. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड आवर लास्ट एंड फाइनल सेगमेंट छोटी सी आशा. इट वाज ओके राइट? Do you want me to do it again?
No, I don't want you to do it again. It was lovely. In fact, it was like awesome. Except maybe I think nervousness में थोड़ी fast बोल रही है ना?
हाँ, थोड़ा सा.
In case you're wondering, अच्छा, who is Nivedita? Nivedita is actually describing herself. ये हमारा आखिरी सेगमेंट है. It is called एक छोटी सी आशा. और निवेदिता श्रीवास्तव की एक छोटी सी आशा हम पूरी करना चाहते थे और इसीलिए we let her do this. सो फेसबुक पे तुमने हमको लिखकर बताया कि तुम्हारी ख्वाहिश है कि तुम एक दिन सलाम नमस्ते यूएई को होस्ट करो. Maybe next season.
Hopefully.
So you're originally from Jhansi?
Yes, I'm from Jhansi.
And Jhansi में तुम basically झांसी की रानी थी on the radio. हाँ?
Yes.
And फिर UAE कब आई?
UAE 2011 में.
और यहाँ पे नहीं, रेडियो पे नहीं हो?
नहीं, not on the radio. I tried so many times but it didn't work. And फिर मुझे लगा कि I keep doing all of these small emceeing jobs. So फिर I realized कि mic is something which I have to be on.
So what is your day job? आजकल आप क्या काम करते हो?
I work for a printing press as marketing and sales manager.
अच्छा, तो कम से कम वहाँ पे तो बात करना पड़ता है?
हाँ, बहुत ज़्यादा बात करनी पड़ती है.
So background हमारा रेडियो का है.
Yes.
हाँ, and झांसी में भी आप मतलब टीवी करते थे?
नहीं, not TV, but radio I was.
रेडियो जरूर.
हाँ.
And emceeing, which is basically hosting on stage. That's
Yes,
what you were doing.
that's I
huh?
was doing.
And यहाँ पे मतलब आपको मौका मिलता है to MC at least?
Yes, yes, yes. Every weekend I do emceeing at the labor camps.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
तो हर वीकेंड पे वहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ होता है?
हाँ, every Thursday, Friday, Saturday, I'm busy with the labor camps, emceeing and making those people happy and giving away gifts and all. So it's fun.
Very cool, very cool. So you always wanted to be behind the mic,
Yes.
in front of the camera, and Dubai में you're looking for an opportunity to do that.
Yes.
हाँ, लेकिन so practice होती है कि नहीं घर पे?
हाँ हाँ, शीशे के सामने कभी भी आकर मैं शुरू हो जाती हूँ कुछ भी बोलना. So practice चलती रहती है.
So interest कहाँ अपने से आई है या like family में background है किसी का?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ background नहीं है. It's just you know, I've always been on stage as a dancer.
Oh, you're a dancer?
Yes.
What have you trained in?
Not trained. I've learned
अच्छा,
by
शौकिया
myself.
तौर पे?
हाँ,
अच्छा.
Bollywood, contemporary, everything by myself.
Oh wow.
हाँ.
So you've always been on stage. मतलब she's definitely not shy, as you can see. Stage fright नहीं होती है.
No, never.
So what do you do like to try and improve your skills? Is there anything that you try at home?
Yeah, I keep practicing. Or when I'm driving also, sometimes कुछ अगर weather अच्छा है और I feel like no, I should say something about, so I keep recording on the phone and then I keep listening to my recording if it's
अच्छा
okay
चलो
or not.
So then for fun we're going to make you practice. अभी आजकल गर्मी शुरू हो चुकी है.
हाँ.
And it's quite hot. बताओ उसके बारे में हमें.
मौसम तो बहुत ही गरम हो रहा है, तो क्यों ना ठंडी ठंडी आइसक्रीम हो जाए. अगर आपको आइसक्रीम पसंद है तो अपनी फेवरेट आइसक्रीम की खाते हुए पिक्चर क्लिक करके मुझे भेजिए और मैं वो अपने शो पर बताऊंगी.
Nice. Clearly like हाजिर जवाब जरूर है ये लड़की. So okay, we're hoping that तुम्हें कोई spot करे. I'm hoping my channel only spots you and tries to give you another chance. In the interim stage वगैरह पे you were planning to continue and
Yes,
you know and
that's my
practicing.
passion. Stage and mic is my passion. I'm never gonna leave.
I think you're doing very very well. I'm going to give you a few tips because I've been anchoring for very long. स्पीड मुझे भी बोला जाता है, मैं बहुत तेज बोलती हूँ.
Okay.
सो अगर स्पीड में बोलना है तो क्लैरिटी मेंटेन करनी पड़ती
हाँ.
है. करेक्ट?
Yes.
हाँ, तो धीरे धीरे एंड व्हेनेवर आई गेट नर्वस आई टेंड टू स्माइल एट द कैमरा एंड दैट यूजुअली हेल्प. आई होप माय टिप्स वर हेल्पफुल.
Yes, बिल्कुल.
सुपर. इससे पहले कि हम आपको जाने दें, यू नो एवरी टॉक शो यूजुअली हैज सम सॉर्ट ऑफ अ रैपिड फायर, सो आई वुड लाइक टू प्ले अ वर्ड एसोसिएशन गेम विद यू.
Okay.
आर यू गेम? मैं बस
Yeah.
रैंडमली वर्ड्स दूंगी
हाँ.
एंड जो तुम्हारे दिमाग में पहले आएगा वो चीज़ बोल देना.
Perfect.
ठीक है? ओके, व्हाट कम्स टू माइंड व्हेन आई से लव?
My boyfriend.
UAE.
Home.
Okay. Television.
Camera.
Okay. Mic.
Me.
Celebrity.
You.
Ooh. नहीं, not really. I was thinking it's a Salman Khan or
नहीं,
something.
it's you.
अच्छा, favorite actor?
Shah Rukh Khan.
Year of giving.
2017.
Passion.
TV.
Really?
Yes.
See, it's not radio, it's not stage, it's actually TV.
TV.
So I'm going to wish you all the best और मैं आशा करती हूँ कि आज जैसे हमारी पहली मुलाकात हुई है, अगली बार भी हमारी मुलाकात ऐसे ही किसी सेट पर हो, where maybe we are co-hosts or maybe
my God.
I don't know, I'm behind the camera directing you and you're my anchor.
Thank you.
All right, so good luck to you. And with that we come to the end of this episode of Salam Namaste UAE. अगली मुलाकात बहुत जल्द होगी हमारे अगले एपिसोड में. बट याद रखिएगा, खुशियाँ बांटने से बढ़ती हैं.
और सपने वो नहीं जो आप बंद आंखों से देखते हैं, सपने वो हैं जो आपको रात भर सोने नहीं देते जब तक आप उन्हें पूरा ना कर लें.
Exactly. So until we meet again, do remember, साथ में बोलें. Be good, do good.
यादों के